Whapi.Cloud is an API designed for developers, offering powerful tools to seamlessly integrate WhatsApp with websites, apps, or business systems like CRM and ERP, perfect for automating communication. Our unique API capabilities enable you to manage WhatsApp groups, channels, statuses, and more. Our API is built with developers in mind, offering detailed documentation and an intuitive Swagger interface right on our dashboard. In the Developer Hub, you'll find ready-to-use code snippets and a Postman collection for effortless testing and integration. Connecting a number to our API is quick and easy, taking less than a minute. You'll be guided every step of the way with our clear instructions and helpful tips. No moderation or number migration is required. Simply connect any number you're already using in WhatsApp. Now, let's send our first message via API. We'll use our Developer Hub, but you can do the same using Postman or making a direct request. To send a message, use your API token in the bearer authorization header. In the JSON request body, include the recipient's phone number in the to parameter, or the chat ID for groups, communities, or channels. Add your message text to the body parameter, and you're ready to go. Sending bulk messages to multiple numbers is just as easy and completely unrestricted. As you can see, it's straightforward. Now let's explore one of the key features our users love: group management. Creating a group is simple. Just provide the group's subject and a list of participants by adding their numbers to the participants array. You'll also be able to send messages to groups and communities, manage their settings and members. Want to check if a number is registered on WhatsApp? With Whapi.Cloud, you can quickly verify it through our API, a no-code tool, or simply let us handle the check for you. With Whapi.Cloud, you receive real-time notifications for incoming messages and other WhatsApp events through webhooks. You can easily customize callbacks for specific events and test them using our webhook request debugger. Here's an example of an incoming message callback, which includes all the useful information about the message. By the way, you can easily retrieve all messages from your device using HTTP GET requests, making it even more convenient to manage your communications seamlessly. Another powerful feature is our number warm-up module, designed to minimize the risk of being flagged during mass activities. Start with a free sandbox channel and use the safety metrics available on your channel page to effectively plan large-scale campaigns. Whapi.Cloud integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Contacts, Dialogflow, N8N, Pabbly Connect, Integrately, and Make, offering unparalleled flexibility. With our API and Make.com, you can create custom integrations with countless applications, all without any coding skills. Ready to transform your WhatsApp automation? Sign up on Whapi.Cloud today and unlock the full potential of WhatsApp API. Have questions? Our friendly support team is here to assist you every step of the way.